Today I'm going to show you how to build an easy, simple beginner project to make you an easy $100. Let's get into it. First thing as always, we're going to throw in them safety glasses. Today guys, we're going to be building some bath caddies. I'm going to put some pictures up right now on Etsy of what they look like and what they're going for. But like I said, it's very simple it looks like. So we have these cedar pickets. Like I said, they're like $3 at Home Depot. Not bad at all. We're going to measure out to 42 inches. And we're going to need to cut 2 out at 42 inches. So, put in some mark. Grab our speed square. And then we'll head to the miter saw to cut 2 out. We're going to make that cut. Like always, we're going to use that first cut to make a line for our second one. We'll cut that out. All right guys, so now that we got our 2 boards cut out the length, we need to put them together the best we can because we need a measurement from side to side, which it looks like we have 11 inches there. So we're going to take our 2 little cut off pieces and cut out 2 11-inch pieces. Alright guys, so now that we got our 2 11-inch pieces cut out, we're going to go ahead and sand up all of our boards, probably up to like 320. Since it's going to be going in the tub, you don't want to get no splinters. So we're going to go ahead and start sanding. Alright guys, we got it rough sanded. We're about to go in with some 220 right now. Alright guys, so now that we got everything sanded up, it is time to put it together. So we're going to use some of our Gorilla Glue, like always, and some brad nails. Our brad nails are a little bit too long, so we're going to try to send them in sideways and see how that works. What we're going to do is we're going to get these 2 ends flush, just like so. Put down some of our nice glue. Glue up this side, and we'll be ready to put it on. Alright guys, we got them glued. Now we're about to shoot a couple brad nails. Alright guys, we got our first side down there glued and brad nailed. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to glue everywhere on this, put some glue on this, and then we'll be ready to brad nail again. Alright guys, we got everything nice and glued up. We're going to put her down and send some brad nails. Alright guys, so now that we got the rough build done, I'm going to go around and take a little punch and punch in all of these little nails that didn't go all the way through since I was trying to sand it diagonally since the brad nail was just a little bit too long. So we're going to go around and do that really quick, and then we will brush up the sanding where the glue has dried. Got all the nails pushed in, now I'm going to touch up on the sanding. Alright guys, so we got all the touch-ups done, got all the nails sunk down in there, all the sanding looking nice and beautiful. Like I said guys, you can't go wrong with these pickets. I mean, they were like $3 and it makes it very light, you know? So it'd be easy to move around too. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put on some of our handy dandy Howard cutting board oil. And we're going to shine this bad boy up, and then after that we're going to put some nice handles on there. All right, guys, now that our piece is houred up, we're gonna throw on our black handles. This is the handles that we got. I'm gonna show them to you really fast. These are our handles. I think they're gonna look real nice on top of our cedar. By the way, I want to let y'all know, don't be a dummy like me. Shoot your brad nails from the bottom, not the top. I don't know why I did that, but we'll get over it. But we're gonna focus on putting these on. All right, guys, so I got my piece of blue tape here of where I need to drill my holes. I just put a piece of tape from here to here, marked the holes with a pencil, took my tape measure. From this side, it needs to be 3.5, 3.5 on that side, and this is 2 3/4 to be in the middle. So we're gonna go ahead and drill out these holes. All right, guys, so we got our holes drilled. I had to go on the back and take one of our, God, I forget what this bit is called, but we took this and made a hole so our screw will actually fit now. So we're gonna start installing these. I have to give y'all like a weird side angle. Okay. We'll go in for our bottom one. Just like that. And there's one handle installed. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Yeah, 3.5, 3.5, 2 3/4, 2 3/4. All right, guys, we have finished this build. I believe she is looking lovely. Nice, beautiful cedar rustic vibe here going on. Like I said, I'm going to put the pictures up again of what they're selling for on Etsy. I've seen anywhere from like $60 to $150, you know, up in that range. It all depends on size too. So I made the biggest size because we got a jacuzzi tub back at the place where I stay. But I'm going to get you some end shots. Make it look good for you. But yeah, give it a try. Like I said, real simple, very easy. Anybody can do it. 2 boards. I mean, it's all it took, so it's not bad at all. If you enjoy this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment. We love hearing from all of you. And we will catch you in the next one. Peace.